How to remove balance credit from Apple ID. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, you have to head over to App Store on your device. Once you're inside the App Store, tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. In this section, if you have added the credit balance, then it will be shown to you in this page. In order for you to remove it, go back and head over to the application support. Inside support, head over to App Store. And then click on Subscriptions and Purchases. You should select Request a Refund or Unable to Purchase. Let me click on Request a Refund. Once you're in this page, you have to head over to Submit Appeal option. Well, you cannot directly remove the credit balance, so in this page you have to state the issue that you have been facing. Simply state that you want to remove all of the credit balance from your Apple ID. Now within 24 hours, they will help you out and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.